Careful, buddy. Make it go. You don't know how to pedal?
It's a lot of water for him to get down to the root. Yeah, Nancy's got a bunch of daisies, and I want to get some mums and some black-eyed Susans in there.
Here's Ashlyn and Grandma watering and landscaping.
Okay. The top ones? Up there, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to get the other hose, honey. This one won't reach that far. Here, let's put some water in the... Here, bring it over here. Let's